Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best twin headboard for dorm rooms, the Modway Lily Tufted Faux Leather Upholstered Twin Headboard in black. If you're looking to upgrade your dorm or bedroom setup with a stylish, functional, and affordable headboard, this one might just be the perfect fit. The Modway Lily headboard instantly elevates the look of any twin bed. Its sleek, modern design blends effortlessly with a variety of decor styles, making it an ideal statement piece for contemporary spaces. The tufted detailing adds a subtle elegance without being overpowering, creating a timeless look that won't go out of style anytime soon. One of the standout features of this headboard is its vegan leather upholstery. It offers a smooth and soft texture that is both comfortable to lean against and easy to maintain. Unlike real leather, the vegan leather is cruelty-free and more resistant to stains, making it a great choice for dorm rooms, guest bedrooms, or any space where durability and easy cleaning are important. Construction-wise, the Lily headboard is built with a combination of fiberboard and plywood, providing a sturdy yet lightweight frame. This balance means it's strong enough to last through regular use but still manageable for assembly and installation. The headboard also includes dense foam padding underneath the upholstery, which adds a layer of comfort, making it pleasant to sit up against whether you're reading, studying, or watching TV. Speaking of installation, the Modway Lily comes with adjustable height mounting options, allowing you to customize how it fits your bed frame. It can be mounted to most twin bed frames with ease, and the package includes all necessary hardware, such as bolts, washers, and an Allen key, so you have everything needed right out of the box. Assembly is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes, even if you're not particularly handy. In terms of dimensions, this headboard measures 39 inches wide and 3.5 inches deep, which perfectly fits a standard twin mattress. Weighing only 16 pounds, it strikes a good balance between being lightweight for moving and heavy enough to feel substantial and stable once mounted. Beyond its looks and build, the Modway Lily headboard also offers versatility. Its modern style complements a range of room designs, from minimalist to industrial to even some farmhouse-inspired setups. The black color adds a sleek, polished touch that pairs well with almost any bedding color or pattern, allowing you to switch up your room's vibe without worrying about clashing tones. Overall, the Modway Lily Tufted Faux Leather Upholstered Twin Headboard provides a fantastic blend of style, comfort, and functionality, making it an excellent choice for dorm rooms or small bedrooms where space and style matter. Whether you want to add a touch of sophistication to your personal space or create a welcoming guest room, this headboard has you covered. If you want to check it out, you can find it online with various size options, but the twin size is especially popular for dorm living due to its compact design and easy adaptability. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in more honest reviews and recommendations on home essentials, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Until next time, happy decorating!